Why are you so close?
Why are you so close?
Is the patient ready?
Bend over. Oh, I think I got your balls.
You giving us a van tour?
I'm gonna give you a van tour, and it may not look like we've done a lot, which we really haven't done a lot, but we have a lot of stuff coming to us, right? We have a lot of stuff on order. We have a lot of stuff in the shed. We're getting there. It's been a rough year, so come, let us look. Oh, it's filthy.
It's dirty.
So
Yeah, we haven't, so I know it doesn't look like a lot. We've got all the ribs up here. Let's just give you a little quick rundown of what we've gotten so far. And sorry about the wood, I'm gonna have to step over it. First thing we did was we put these ribs on the ceiling to kind of bridge this down a little bit. It does take away a little bit of the height, but it gives me something to screw my ceiling panels into. I'm gonna put this on 0.5. We've got all the insulation in the ceiling and most of the Reflectix. I don't know if we're gonna finish this because it adds an extra vapor barrier that I'm not sure we really want. Or need, for that matter. This was the huge project that we've gotten mostly accomplished. I need to vacuum this before we paint. But you guys saw we put the bunk windows in, and I made these little frames that go around here because this is round and it was a huge pain. And then I framed this whole thing out. I'll just put some pictures up while I'm talking about this. I framed the whole thing out, and then that was a huge giant. Wasn't that fun?
it was fun. I didn't do much. I just kind of watched him be angry.
Yeah.
But it looks great. He did a good job.
First time doing stuff. And then we took 1/4-inch Baltic birch plywood and glued and screwed it to that framework. So now I am going to put some trim on this, obviously, and this will be wall and some trim. But we're gonna paint this today.
Today, that's why I have gloves on.
And we're gonna do the ceiling today.
Oh, yeah. Like
You forgot about that?
We're gonna like do the whole ceiling.
We're gonna paint it and put it in. A little better look at this side. It's got like a tapered frame on there. It's just a pain. And then this, I think I'm gonna take that out. I took this one out on this side because we're gonna have cabinets here, and then our shower will be right here. Like I said, I know it doesn't look like a lot, but we've been busy with it. A lot of research.
Ordering stuff, right?
Yeah, we've got all the electrical stuff is mostly here.
Water
so
tank.
once I get, and we're making a custom shower pan. So
oh yeah, that's on order.
Be on the lookout for that because none of the plastic ones, they're cheap. Low quality, and not cheap.
The drain wasn't in the spot that we wanted it to be.
Right,
so.
there's framework. So you'll see that in a future video, but that's where we're at right now.
Let's do some ceiling work.
Yeah. We're going with the 8-inch shiplap for the ceiling and walls. Mama picked out the 8-inch stuff. We cut it all the other day to length off camera and then cut around our fan with these, and then we put our light holes down the center. So now we just gotta paint.
Looks good.
It does, it's turning around.
So there's a reason we didn't show putting on the first 4 boards of shiplap. It's because they were a bitch.
What's up?
You just would have seen Brian throwing shit, me cussing.
It wasn't that.
It wasn't that bad, but it was pretty bad. It was pretty brutal. But we're gaining. Yeah, this has been an adventure. If we won $100 million, would you finish the band?
But to be completely honest with you, I'd probably get another band.
What you doing?
Wiring.
Wiring what?
I cut that way too long. That's fine. I'm using these little. These are like what they use in Europe for wire nuts here, and they work pretty good. They're called a wago.
Oh. Wow. How do you?
Not the beef.
That's wago.
Oh.
How do you know how to do all this? Like wiring?
You want to know?
Yeah.
Car stereos in the 90s.
Oh.
Because I had, you know what? I'm not even going to talk about it.
Not even gonna go
But I
there.
learned how to do a lot of wiring, 12-volt wiring, hooking up car stereos.
So basically, same shit, different project,
Pretty much.
different
Only,
car.
This time I'm a little more careful because back in the day, I used to just like guess on wire size, and then if it melted, I'd put a bigger one in.
We can't do that with this.
We're a little more safe these days. And this worked pretty good.
Good.
Pretty slick.
What?
Pretty slick.
Pretty slick. It's a nice windy day. I'm pretty sure all the leaves are gonna be gone after today.
Oh, for sure.
That's fancy.
Yeah.
That just holds them together.
It holds them together, and so if it's sitting on metal and it's rubbing, this will protect the wire.
Oh.
Hopefully. Probably a little overkill, but
Everything you do is overkill. It's not a bad thing all the time.
I mean, it's expensive and takes forever, but it's not a bad thing.
Yeah. What's that?
Fire. Fire. Nah, I'm melting the end so it doesn't fray out.
I think you're just playing with fire.
Maybe. Really do an intro for this, I guess, so I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what we're doing. We're trying to finish the ceiling, but I don't want to have to try to fish wire up afterwards, so I'm wiring just the lights for now to get them down to the wall area, and then we can put the ceiling, well, the lights and the fan, and then we can put the ceiling on, and we'll have the wires already exposed. That way, hopefully it'll minimize any
Pain points.
effing around.
Yeah. And after he's done with that and we get the boards up, I will go through and paint the mudded holes on here. You're doing good. I'm just over here watching. Let her rip, Sparky. Hey. It works. Woo. My God. He did it.
It works.
Wow. Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Good job, babe.
Thanks.
Guess who's unsupervised? It's me. Brian is out of town for a couple days for training, and I think I'm gonna paint the ceiling. I don't remember exactly where we left off with the ceiling because I haven't edited the video yet. I'm working on it. I'll probably do that tonight. But we got the shiplap up, we got the holes filled, we got it primed, we got it painted twice, and it looks okay, honestly. But if you stand in the right light, it looks a little blotchy because I just painted the holes. Brian and I, we could probably live with it, but I know that every time we come in here, we'll both look at it and we'll both see it. So he kind of left it up to me. He was like, before he left, he said, no, it's fine, we'll just leave it. You know, it's less work if we have to paint it. I came in here just to look at it again and I said, F it, I'm just gonna paint it. So let's paint some more. This will be the 6th time painting, I think, but that's okay. I have enough paint, it's fine. Let's do this. Another reason that I'm deciding to paint today, of all days. Today, it's right now, it's like 70 degrees right now. It's really nice, it's super windy. Tomorrow's gonna be 75, the next day 30, the next day 33. So winter is here, winter's coming to Nebraska. So I need to do this like today. And if you're wondering why I always wear gloves when I paint, I don't like paint to get on my fingers, so that's why. Oh yeah, it's gonna look a lot better, hopefully. We also got like a satin finish, so it's really shiny. We probably should have got something a little less shiny, but YOLO, I guess. It is windy today. It's supposed to be like gust of 45 tomorrow, I think, so. Welcome to Nebraska. This is a damn arm workout. Ugh. This sucks. This is stupid. I hate painting. Ugh. Ugh. It's so hard to like get rid of the lines. Whatever. One more panel. Every time I paint, I get paint everywhere. Does anybody else do that? All right, just like that, my 100th paint of coat.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Wait, my 100th coat of paint is on the ceiling. Hopefully it looks good. Thoughts if you're out there and you're building a van and you want to put shiplap on your ceiling, don't paint it until it's up. We did get the pre-primed, like good shiplap. I think it's made of pine. It's not that cheap, like corkboard type shiplap. It's like the real stuff. We painted it outside. We put 2 coats of our magnolia paint on it, thinking, I don't know what the hell we were thinking, honestly. Like, we should have just waited until it was up. Lesson learned, in case we ever do a van, which hopefully never again. But yeah, if you're doing this, don't paint your shiplap until it's up, so you can fill the holes, you can sand it, you can do everything. That's my professional advice, because it's stupid and it sucks. Okay, bye.
Today, we are going to show you the inside of our van.
Fucking shit. Oh, fuck. God damn it.